Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sydney and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. It is finally demo day and I am so excited. Gotta be honest, I'm extremely tired already. Sean and I have been working so hard getting our house ready to put on the market. I just didn't realize there was so much that we had to do just to sell the house. But one of the last things that we have to do is redo this kitchen. So the two things that we're going to upgrade are the countertops and the backsplash. The countertops are scheduled to get delivered tomorrow, so lucky for you, you'll just have to keep watching to see that part get installed. And we're going to go ahead and take out the backsplash right now. My light just turned off. I don't know what happened here. So we're gonna take out the backsplash right now, so that way the new countertops will be nice and level, and then once those are in, we'll go ahead and put our new backsplash up. As you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see in the camera, we already took out, there was a microwave up there. We took that out. There was a massive hole behind that. We didn't know that existed. And there were some really big holes in some of the tiles. So we are going to have to put some drywall sheetrock up there in those areas. I'm hoping we don't run into big issues. If we do, you know, it is what it is. But we're ready to rock and roll. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna speed things up because I'm sure it's gonna be a lengthy process. And let's get on into demo.
You say you're fine, but I can see right through. You're holding your secrets for way too long. This can't keep going on. With every lie, they keep on hurting you, getting away with everything they do. This can't keep going on. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions, lions. They can't run, they can't hide. We won't stop until they're down. We'll be running with the lions, lions. Tell me, cause I'm looking out for you. This can't keep going on. No, cause you're not alone in this. We'll do this together. No, you're not alone in this. No, we're gonna find them, and I'm gonna fight for you. They better start hiding. We'll be running with the lions, lions. We'll be running with the lions.
Okay, so it's night 2. We are taking apart the sink because the countertops are here and they are getting installed tomorrow morning. I hope you guys can understand me because I tried to be awesome and do the sink myself, and I dropped a big wrench tool on my face and gave myself a fat lip. But I'm gonna give myself an A for effort. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, so it's bleeding and I've got a bag of peas on here. So there we go. So we're gonna take that out, and that'll be all we're doing tonight in the kitchen. And then tomorrow they'll be here bright and early to install the countertop. You ready?
Where are we putting this?
I don't know. Let's do it. Yay.
Downstairs?
Downstairs.
Oh, good
That
thing
is
we didn't.
disgusting. Years of you.
You're should really clean this very well.
Ew. Show you guys my fat lip. Oh, it's getting swollen. And it is definitely painful.
Call me out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you love? Lift me up higher, above the clouds, won't you love? When the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall.
Okay guys, it's all done. I apologize. This is what you're gonna be getting in all of this video, is just hair up, paint all over. Anyways, they're in. Look how awesome those look. They're great. This is what we decided to go with. And it's the Laminate Carrera marble pattern. And I loved it because it's not super, like there's not a lot of dark spots in it. I wanted a really light color and I didn't want anything that complicated the room. So it's just a very simple countertop and I absolutely love it. Okay guys, so I'm going to end the video here. You saw the countertops. It's going to look so good. I am going to do a reveal video, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you turn on the bell notification and hit on for all, so you don't miss that video. If I did it all in one, this video would be way too long. So I'm going to have a full kitchen reveal video coming soon. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye. I also forgot to say, I switched things up last minute and it's going to be so different than what I envisioned for our kitchen. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned.